How to add another video clip after the first video you have started with using the YouCut Video Editor app. This is a beginner's guide. Let's get started. So let's say you have your first video and you are working with it. Now you want to go ahead and add another video after the first video. So you'll notice this circle here with that plus. By tapping on this right here, it'll bring up this right here. And you can choose to add a video or also one of those pre-made videos from the materials section by tapping on this category here to add some fun into your video, or just go back to the recent and then you can tap on video. Also, you can tap on this drop down menu here, which will give you a list of other videos available found on your phone. So now I want to go ahead and add a video, and I'll just go ahead and select one of them. You can also long press it to preview it like this here, and a single tap will take you there like that. So let's just say the video appeared in the wrong area. It appeared at the beginning instead of at the end part. Now to rearrange the video, simply just go ahead and long press the bottom area where the timeline is like this. So go ahead and long press it, and you'll notice this will happen. When this happens, you will just hold the one that you want to bring over to the right or the left. Just bring it over like this here and release it. So if you have more than one video clips, you'll just bring it over until you reach to where you want it to be. And pressing the check mark now will have your video appear where you want it to be. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.